Hi Camilla, this is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. So today we're going to go through website content, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and then finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You have a nice site. It's visually appealing and easy to navigate. It also loads very quickly for me. You have right around 356 words. It looks like you could use more content. So when I talk about content, I mean all of the words on your front page to include pictures and what's behind these pictures. Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words to be optimized or viewed as highly relevant in that keyword search. So a keyword search is just that search term that's used by a potential client that's searching for your service. You need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in the keywords needed to bring your site to the top of those search results. So over here, we have your competition. So these guys are your top online local competitor. They have around 900 to 1,000 words in their content. So to beat your competition, you're going to begin with more content that's strategically mixed with the right keywords. So over here, I've pulled up Google and I've searched for gutter installation West Palm. At the top of the page, we always see ads that are related to the search that we're doing. And then down below, we have what we call the map pack. You'll want to get yourself here to the top 3 because as you can see, it's one of the first areas that's shown in the search result. You can get here by filling out your Google business profile completely and then also including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google is going to give you more score authority to referring sites that are relevant to your business. So this is going to help you rank higher in the maps. You want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So in the organic search below, we see that Gutter Professionals Inc. is in that #1 spot. So let's take a look at why your competition is outranking you. So this is a tool called Arifs. I use this every day in my work to look at site metrics. It's really useful in doing our SEO analysis. So it looks like your Google trustworthiness score, your UR score, doesn't have enough data to rank you or to give you a score yet. And it looks like your power score here for Google is a 10 out of 100. So when we look over here at your competition, their trustworthiness score is a 30 and then power score of 17 respectively. So we see here that you have 6 referring domains that are giving you 16 backlinks, and that is driving the current traffic that you have. Backlinks are just that. They're just a website that's sending a link back to your site, and it's important to note that it's really more about the quality of the link rather than the quantity of the link. Not all links are created equal. So the link that you obtain is more effective when you have an industry relevant site that's linking back to you. So for example, having a remodeling or a roofing company that's linking your site on their page would be far more powerful than the local restaurant that's doing the same thing. So you see that your competition over here has quite a few more referring domains, giving them a lot more backlinks, driving quite a bit more traffic to their site. So in this tool, we can also look at their keywords. So we can pick apart what keywords are working well for the competition and what is relevant to you, and then go after those keywords in your own website. So once you've actually updated your content, you've got a lot of keyword-rich content, you have some backlinks and they've started to come together and you start to outgrow your competition, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important for your business. So let's assume that you'd be generating the same traffic now as your competition in that #1 spot. Okay, so you'll recall that we put in, I think, gutter replacement or gutter installation Palm Beach or West Palm. So what I'm looking here is at this gutter replacement Palm Beach, Florida. And we see here that every month 100 people are searching for this keyword search in Google. So 100 people now are searching here. Right now they're going to your competition. So say now you've replaced that competition and now you're getting that traffic. So let's say that 10% of these people actually call you. And then say 50%, you close maybe 50% of those calls, which is pretty standard in this industry. So we're looking at closing right around 5 jobs per month, just from their online presence alone, just from being in that top spot. And also keep in mind that this is just gutter installation or gutter replacement jobs specifically. So any other services that you would provide would just add to this number. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that would generate some pretty decent revenue for you. So this is what I do for a living and I absolutely love it. I created this video to help you start generating your own leads online by utilizing these tips that I've shown you. Would it be too much to ask to provide me just a little bit of feedback on the video? Even just one line is really helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small businesses that I work with. I would really love to see your site at that top spot too. If you would like to discuss what I've gone over today a little more in depth or would prefer to give me your feedback over the phone, you can give me a call or a text at 321-626-0586. I would love to help you in any way that I can. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.